Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this short video, I will show you how to download and install the GeForce Now application to your Android TV, especially without using the Google Play Store application. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this. So if you own an Android TV, here's exactly what you should do to install the GeForce application on your Android TV, even if you don't want to use the Google Play Store or even if you don't have it. So what you have to do, go back to your browser and just type in a name of application, which in this case is a GeForce app. Now this GeForce app is for the streaming app, is for the gaming app or the GeForce Now cloud gaming. So this is it. The other GeForce apps, but the one we're looking for in this video is for cloud gaming. So all of what you go right here, I click on it, and as you can see, here's the application. Now the only reason I cannot install is because the item isn't available in my country, so that's why I can't install it to my Android TV. But if you are living in a country that supports, or in a country where the item is available, then instead of more info here, you're going to get the install button. If you follow the same steps I just showed you, you're going to get the same step, you're going to get the install button. All you have to do is just to click on it, and the application is going to download and install to your Android TV. Now I cannot install it here because it is not available in my country, unfortunately. But there are sometimes that you can use a VPN to bypass certain limitations like this. In the description, there is a VPN for you.